Hello guys.
So hello guys, we are here in our community.
Yes.
And if you can see,
we are going home.
Yes.
We are going home.
Yes. Yun, no friend.
Paano?
Hindi ba maibak yan?
No, hindi. It's
Okay.
not. Okay guys, that is the our river. Yes, we are
The tourist spot of our barangay. If you
Yes.
can see, come and visit us.
Yes.
Okay.
They are open for reservation.
Yes.
Yes.
They have
You can book and
you can book. We
Through,
have 3 floating cottage here.
yes, they have page floating cottage GM. Ano yun?
JM floating cottage.
And Latao Abelay.
Latao Abelay and Alicia floating cottage.
Yes.
So if you can see,
As you
they
can
have
see,
rock formation, have a white sand,
yes.
and they have a lot of people that going there to see and visit us.
Yes.
Because our the paradise of Barangay Tapa Isabela is very beautiful for the tourists.
When you go here, you can feel relaxation,
Yes,
calmness.
enjoy.
You know.
Oh.
Hindi kayo makisisi. Okay guys, we want to end this video.
Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Subscribe and